Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can rotate only one page in Microsoft Word document. If you see this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. For example, I want to rotate this page, second page. Just we have to select all the text in the second page only. Good. Now from layout, click this icon. Here we have landscape. From here, selected text. Okay. If we look at it from view navigation pane, you will see this page is blank. I just delete it. Good. This page and this page is changed to landscape. How we can fix this? That is a page we want to make it landscape, but this one change it to landscape because the text doesn't fit to second page. So for example, I bring this text. Okay. Good. You see now only the second page is rotated. Let's see. You see? That's all. Have a nice day.